Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English by Komal Dung. My name is Komal Dung and again I'm here with you all and I hope you all are fit and fine and you are also moving forward towards your goal. So again I'm here with my new video. So मेरे जो लास्ट वीडियोस थे वो टेंसेस से रिलेटेड थी एंड आई होप आप सभी ने मेरी वीडियोस देखी होंगी एंड आपको पसंद भी आई होंगी। जो मेरी ये वाली वीडियो है ना वो भी टेंसेस से रिलेटेड है एंड डू यू नो that tenses plays an important role in English language. Like अगर हमें active passive voice पढ़ना है then also tenses are very important. अगर हमें direct indirect पढ़ना है then also tenses are very important. So tenses are the base of English language. Like मुझे कुछ भी मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है and उसे मैं इंग्लिश में कहना चाहती हूँ मुझे किस चीज की नीड है tenses. So that is why आप tenses को बहुत ही lightly मत लीजिए. Please study hard and I hope आपने previous वीडियो से बहुत कुछ लर्न किया होगा and उसकी प्रैक्टिस भी की होगी. And आज मैं आपके साथ नेक्स्ट टाइम शेयर करूंगी tenses का. Like in the previous videos, what did we learn? We learn about the present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, and again I'm here with my new video that is regarding present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Now, अब आपको ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा यार present perfect tense ये क्या present perfect tense बताती रहती है present indefinite tense, present continuous tense and the present perfect tense. लेकिन हमें पता कैसे चलेगा ये कहाँ पर हमें प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज करना है. तो मैं हूं ना मैं आपको बताती हूँ आपको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस पता कैसे चलेगा. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस मीन्स हमारा जो वर्क है वो क्या हो रहा है परफेक्टली कंप्लीट हो रहा है. Whenever the work is going to be completed then we have to use present perfect tense. Like क्या आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है ये क्या है that is perfect tense यार present perfect tense. Have you subscribed my channel? Is it clear? So today we are going to learn about present perfect tense and I hope आपको पता तो चले गया होगा that what are the helping words has or have. And the next thing like जब भी हमें अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना होता है Like for example, मैंने अपना ग्रेजुएशन कर लिया है. I have completed my graduation. मैंने दिल्ली घूम लिया है. I have visited Delhi. मैंने अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट कर लिया है. I have completed my homework. And जब हमें कोई भी ऐसे इंसिडेंट की बात करनी होती है like that has been completed. Like मैंने खाना बना लिया है. I have cooked the food. So let's learn. Come on, let's get started. So the topic is present perfect tense. This is our topic. So in this tense, what we are going to learn? We'll learn about so firstly we should know the structure of present perfect tense. And do you know that? And I hope आप सभी को पता है. Like आपको ये नहीं पता होगा if I will ask you to know that what is the helping verb of present perfect tense, so you will be confused. But you should know that where you have to use has or where you have to use have. ठीक है. So the structure, what should be the structure? Structure is so firstly जैसे हमने सारे टेंसेस में सीखा so हमारा सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं that is subject. Subject will come first and then after subject what we are going to use the helping verb and the helping verb will be has or have. That totally depends upon the subject. That totally depends upon the subject. If the subject is singular, it means we have to use S, has, with the singular subject, and with the plural subject, what we have to use? the plural one. Have. And then after, with this helping word, which verbs form we are going to use? That is V3. And that is also called past participle form of the verb. And then after, whatever the object will be, we will write that object. So that is the structure for present perfect tense. I hope you understand. Okay. And then the next one is like the previous tenses. So the kinds of this is affirmative, that is also called the positive one, then the negative, and then the negative, and the third one is interrogative. So these are the three types that we have to use in the present perfect tense, and in all these three kinds the helping verbs will be same, has or have. Now let me tell you one thing, like with I we have to use have. I have, we have, you have, they have. Then after, he has, she has. And with the proper noun, has. If your proper noun is in singular form, like if we are saying like any one name, like Meera is like Meera is there. So Meera, with Meera we will use has. And if we are using Meera and Shyam have done their work. So with plural noun we will use have. Okay? So that is the difference between the has or have. So if you want to take a screenshot, so you can, please. अब हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस ये प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. Like I have noted down few of the examples, so we will learn by these given examples. ठीक है? So firstly, present perfect tense, the पहचान is like जिन वाक्यों के अंत में चुका है, चुकी है, ये सारे वर्ड्स आएंगे. So that means वो कैसे होंगे आपके प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस होंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन से मैं नाश्ता कर चुका हूँ. सो व्हाट वी विल राइट द फॉर्मेशन. जस्ट ट्राई टू लर्न द स्ट्रक्चर. What was the structure? So firstly we will write the subject. So what is the subject in this one? मैं नाश्ता कर चुका हूँ. So मैं, I, and the helping word with I, what we are going to use? Have. I have. And then after the V3 or the past participle form, so karna for nashta with the form is had. The V3 is had. I have had my breakfast. So that will be the formation for this one. I hope you understand. Now the next one is ने इसमें रुचि दिखाई है. अब आप बोलेंगे इसमें चुका है और चुकी है तो है नहीं. तो इसमें दिखाई है, ई है, या है, ये है, ये सारे वर्ड में हमारे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में ही आते हैं. ठीक है. सो कई विद्यार्थियों ने इसमें रुचि दिखाई है. सो व्हाट विल बी द सब्जेक्ट फॉर दिस वन? कई विद्यार्थियों. Now who is going to do the action? कई विद्यार्थी. तो इसमें हम क्या लिखेंगे? Many students. As you can see, this is the plural. So with the plural, which helping verb we will use? Have. Many students have shown. That is the V3. Okay? Shown. Many students have shown interest. in this. ठीक है. Now the next one is मैंने अपना मोबाइल कहीं रख दिया है. So this is the common sentence ना that we are using in our everyday life. Like मैंने अपना फोन कहीं रख दिया है. So I have kept. That is also the V3. Okay. I have kept my mobile phone कहीं. What will be the English for कहीं? Somewhere. Full stop. Okay? So these are the few examples of present perfect tense, that how we can apply the structure in these given sentences, like subject, helping verb, then V3 and then the object. आपने उन तीनों एग्जाम्पल से आई थिंक स्ट्रक्चर तो सीख ही लिया होगा. अभी मैंने कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स और लिखे हैं जिनकी हेल्प से हम और क्लियर करेंगे. ठीक है. सरकार ने नई नीतियां लागू की है. तो सरकार ने, व्हाट विल बी द इंग्लिश फॉर सरकार? द गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है. द गवर्नमेंट now the government, that is a singular subject or the plural subject? Obviously that is a singular subject. So the government has implemented means which is लागू करना. The government has implemented new policy or the policies? अच्छा, this is implemented. To implement something, like कुछ चीज लागू करना. But here we are using the verb's third form. जैसे मैं आपको V3 बोल रही हूँ, आप सबको समझ में आ रहा होगा. V3 is the third form of the verb. ठीक है. And then is उसने मेरे मैसेज का जवाब नहीं दिया. तो उसने हम she भी यूज कर सकते हैं and he भी यूज कर सकते हैं. That is according to our own choice. ठीक है. तो उसने, so she has, and you can see this is the negative one. So she has not, know the verb, replied to my message. Now the next is, हमने अभी तक कोई ट्रिप प्लान नहीं की है. So हमने, like we have not planned. We have not planned any trip, and abhi tak, and the word we will use for abhi tak is yet. So we have not planned any trip yet, and yet is a word that is used in the negative sentences only. Okay, just remember this thing. Now these are also the few examples for present perfect tense. I hope आपको present perfect tense अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. I hope आपको मेरी आज की क्लास अच्छी लगी होगी. And अगर आपको मेरी क्लास अच्छी लगी है तो do like, subscribe and share my channel. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करो तो मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियोस भी अपलोड कर पाऊंगी.